Hello guys, this is Umesh Mali and I welcome you all to my channel An Engineer's Guide. So guys, in this session we will learn how to find a tube hole diameter in tube sheet design. So guys, as we all know, the tube sheet is the most critical part in a heat exchanger design. So here is a reference image to show how tube sheet looks and how tube holes are. So the question is how to find those tube hole diameters. So for that there is an applicable standard named as TEMA standard. TEMA is Tubular Exchanger Manufacturer Association. In TEMA standards you must go to the section 5 Mechanical Standards TEMA class RCB heat exchangers. Once you reach the section 5, you have to find a table RCB 7.2.1M. That table RCB 7.21M is for metric dimensions. That table RCB 7.2.1M is for tube hole diameters and tolerances for tube OD range 6.4 mm to 76.2 mm. So instead of showing that table, let's take one example that my tube diameter is 19.10 mm. So there are two types of fits. One is a standard fit and another is a special close fit. So if your applicable fit is a standard fit, then your nominal diameter of tube hole will be 19.30 mm with under tolerance of 0.10 mm and over tolerance of 0.05 mm as per column C and over tolerance 0.25 mm as per column D. So the question might be in your mind is that why there are two different values for over tolerance. So just hold that question in your mind for a while and let's move forward. So the another type of fit is special close fit. So if your applicable type of fit is special close fit, the nominal diameter of tube hole will be 19.25 mm. So we can find there is a difference in standard fit and special close fit. With under tolerance of 0.05 mm and over tolerance as per column C is 0.05 mm and over tolerance as per column D is 0.25 mm. So there is difference in under tolerance values also. So now the time has come to answer your question. So 96% of tube holes must meet the over tolerance value specified in column C and remaining tube holes may not exceed over tolerance value specified in column D. So we can say it's just kind of allowance provided for 4% of tube holes. So guys, this is how we find a tube hole diameter. So please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn a complete static equipment design course, please find the link in my description box. Thank you.